Hi there, I'm Grandpa Evergreen, and I'm going to enlighten that beautiful brain of yours with some stories about something very precious, our climate. So stick around, and maybe you'll learn a thing or two. The smoke-filled skies, the flames devouring everything to their path. Wildfires, once a natural part of certain ecosystems, are now a stark reminder of the devastating power of climate change. From the vast forests of the Amazon to the parched landscapes of Australia, the world is ablaze, and the consequences are catastrophic. The science behind the flames. Why are we seeing an increase in the frequency and intensity of wildfires? The answer lies in the science. Climate change is leading to higher temperatures, prolonged droughts, and shifting precipitation patterns. These conditions create the perfect storm for wildfires. Dry vegetation, strong winds, and extreme heat make fires difficult to control, allowing them to spread rapidly and devastate vast areas. Communities turned to ash. The impact on human lives is devastating. Homes are destroyed, communities are uprooted, and people lose everything they have. The smoke from wildfires causes respiratory problems and other health issues, especially among vulnerable populations like children and the elderly. But the human toll goes beyond the immediate damage. It includes the long-term trauma, the loss of loved ones, and the economic disruption that follows. The ecological disaster. Wildfires don't just destroy human lives and property, they also wreak havoc on our ecosystems. Forests, which are essential for regulating the climate and maintaining biodiversity, are turned to ash. Animals lose their habitats, and entire species are threatened. The soil is depleted, and water quality deteriorates. The ecological consequences of wildfires are long-lasting and can lead to irreversible damage. The economic burden, a global crisis. The economic costs of wildfires are immense. Billions of dollars are spent on firefighting, damage repair, and reconstruction. But the true cost is far greater. It includes the loss of productivity, the disruption of supply chains, and the long-term impacts on economic growth. Wildfires are not just an ecological disaster, they're also an economic crisis with global implications. Fighting the fire. The threat of wildfires is real, but it's not too late to take action. We need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, invest in renewable energy, and adopt sustainable practices. We need to create resilient forests, implement fire prevention measures, and support communities at risk. The time to act is now. Let's work together to fight the fire and protect our planet for future generations. Well now, if you've made it this far, I reckon you must have found something worth sticking around for. Hope you enjoyed my view on the matter, and if you would like to hear more, give that old subscribe button a little tap. Means a lot to this old timer. Till next time,